First of all, we should take off the screw. Then there are 4 stands like this, 2 long stand and 2 short stand. We need to fix it on the machine. We could see this interface is the front side, and we fix the long stand on the front and the short stand on the back of the machine. After fix the stand, we put the above part and then use this tool to screw here to fix it. And then connect this line. After connect the power line, press the button to open the machine. And this button is to choose the mode. And this add will reduce for power. This add will reduce for frequency. This one is the switch, and this is start or stop button. Now let's choose the first mode and then start. We could see the light is twinkle. Now we just need to adjust the frequency. When we adjust to 100, there is no twinkle. And we reduce the frequency, it twinkle frequently. About the power, when we adjust to 10, it's very light, and we adjust and we reduce, it became dark. The red color is to promote blood circulation, and the blue color is for acne treatment, and the orange color is for skin whitening and also could promote blood circulation, and the green color could soothe and calm the skin. The total selection is for aging skin, which could reduce wrinkle and also could promote blood circulation and improve cellular activities. About the holder, we just need to adjust a suitable position and then screw here and tighten it. Thus we could do the treatment.